Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can take JPEG photos on your iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, to take JPEG photos on your iPhone, you'll need to go to the Settings app. Once in the settings, scroll down until you see the camera feature. Tap on it. In the camera settings, you'll see an option at the top called Formats. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a few different photo and video format options. Make sure the most compatible option is selected. By setting your iPhone's camera to the most compatible format, any photos you take will be saved as JPEG files. This can be useful if you need to share your photos with others. So that's basically how you can take JPEG photos on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.